Welcome to the Easy Tech channel, and this is a quick video for all of you out there that are on Windows. Today, April 14th, 2020 is of course the day of Patch Tuesday updates. Patch Tuesday updates are of course every second Tuesday of every month. These are security updates. No, they are important to actually apply, and are available for Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. Now, if you're on Windows 7, there's no updates because of the end of support of January. But if you're on the extended security plan, most enterprise are probably there, you are getting, of course, security updates today. It's very important to apply them. But for the rest, Windows 7, of course, has been having end of support for irregular home users in January. So this touches Microsoft scripting engine, Windows App Platform and Framework, Windows Cloud Infrastructure. It touches Windows virtualization. It has Microsoft Graphics Component, Windows Kernel, Windows Media, Windows Shell, Windows Management, Windows Fundamentals, Windows Virtualization, Windows Storage and File System, Windows Update Stack, and Microsoft Jet Database. So seems to be a lot of fixes for security here. There's a few bug fixes in here also thrown in. So apply these updates to your Windows machine, as they are very important to stay safe on the internet. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.